Hello everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. We all know the situation of the job market around us. It's not bad in India, but globally it's affected because of this corona or pandemic situation. We all know this is the time of the global recession. But today, I'm going to talk about a job which is in demand even now in this pandemic situation. And I'm dead sure after this pandemic, it will be on the peak. So let's start today's video. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and give us motivation or support to make new videos. So let's start. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the data scientist job. I'm going to discuss what data scientist job is actually, what is the education qualification, experience, skills, language demand, as well as we will discuss at the end how we can become the data scientist, how we can enter in this job. So stay tuned with me and let's start with the first step. Let's discuss the first step. What is data scientist actually? What they do? The data scientists are the people who use any small or big data and develop, implement and deploy into machine analogs. Yes, they'll use this data and they are going to generate the machine analogs which they will use for different programming. These are the people who have a mathematical inclined thinking style, as well as the people who have good programming skills. According to Upgrade, in today's scenario, data scientist job are the highest payable job in India. Yes. So this is all about the data scientist. Let's look towards the educational qualification and skill required for this job. If we'll talk about the current market situation, the demand and supply of this data scientist job, as compared to the demand, the supply is very low. Because of that, 40% data scientists of the market, which are like the 100% which are available in the market right now, 40% are the data scientists who recently joined the this job or this career option in last 24 months. So in this career option, there is equally you can say opportunities for the experienced people as well as the freshers, because there is a huge demand. It's not like easy to cope up with that demand only with the experienced skilled people. So there is a huge demand for the freshers as well. So let's discuss about the education qualification first. If we'll talk about the educational background, which are the people who exactly fit into this career options, are the people with background of subject choices like computer science, mathematics, finance, economics or statistics. If we'll talk about the current market situation, the people who are currently working as a data scientist, 50% of the people are having degree with majorly of these subjects, and 34% people are there who have a bachelor degree, and 4% people are with the PhD degree and having these subjects as their major subject choices. Apart from that, this career option is totally favorable if the people have more language knowledge. Like, at least if you are trying to enter in this career option, then you must have a knowledge of 2 to 3 languages, 2 to 3 international languages actually. So if you are planning to be a data scientist, please get any certificate course knowledge of any basic international language which are in demand nowadays. Next is experience. How much experience is required for this job? See, the people basically who are in data analytics or data handling job which are linked to this market are equally preferable or equally suitable for this career option. But as I already said, because of the demand is very high, freshers can also join this career option. If we'll talk about the skills, people who have mastery in Excel, Microsoft Excel, plus who have a good practical knowledge of mathematics and statistics. Other than that, if you have a good knowledge of visualization tools and programming language like Python, so this is an advantage for you. because these all things which are really required for a data scientist job. Now you must be wondering how to get all these skills, these certificates to enter in this career. Yes, nowadays because of this demand, there are so many offline and online courses available to make a start of you in the data scientist career. Yes, if you are a working professional, if you are working in any other industry, so you can join these online courses or the part-time offline courses along with your job. Plus, if you are a fresher or you are just completing your degree, still you can join these courses and get certified yourself. See, there are so many courses which are for language, for Excel, and they'll guide you properly, like, these all are the requirement for this data scientist, and you must do all these courses. Maybe you take hardly 6 months or maximum a year to do and to get certification for these. So regarding this is my second video, so stay tuned for the second part. In the second part, I am going to discuss where and what are the online and offline courses and how much you need to pay for them. Plus, there are certain courses which are free of cost available in the market for data scientists. So stay tuned and give me a thumbs up if you like this video for whatsoever reason, and if I help you in any way. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with us and keep growing in your career. Thank you. Bye-bye.